And this is how to access the live lesson from your phone. Come here. You're on the IC. Yeah, you're on the app over here, IC app. And first, of course, you've got to find your course. Are you intermediate, beginner, or elementary? You find your course. Let's say, for example, we are elementary today, but you click on the one that is your course, intermediate or beginner or elementary. Today, as an example, we'll do elementary. And here you go, you see elementary. And all you have to do is click on current chapter. Yeah, current chapter means the now chapter, the chapter that is now, current chapter. Click on list, okay? List. And you get a list of all of the lessons of this chapter. And you need to keep going down until you find the next lesson. Boom, next lesson. And on the next lesson, there will be no video of the lesson because it's not happened yet. You can see in all the other lessons, there are the video, the recording of the lesson because the lesson happened. Here is not yet a video because it's not happened yet. And you go here and you click on the live lesson link and open, and then you will get the lesson. Click on the link here at the lesson time, and it will take you to the lesson. And the time of the lesson, how do you know when to press on the link? Very simple. We have a few ways. Number one, on the Telegram. Yeah, if you go on the Telegram group, you can find a reminder 1 hour before every lesson. To join the Telegram group is just here. Necessary content, join our exclusive group of students, and the group is here. There you go. And that will take you to the student group. Over there on the group, you will have a notification 1 hour before each lesson. There are some more ways as well. Lesson 18, the next lesson. If you press here to put the IC calendar on your phone, if you press this link, you will get the IC calendar on your phone. And if you see I have an iPhone, if I go to my calendar, yeah, I can see the next lesson is over here. Yeah, the 5 elementary, 9 to 9:30. It is here on the calendar of my phone because I pressed this link to put the IC calendar on your phone. Also, you can press this link here, which will take you to the live lesson times. You can see elementary current chapter. And if you press jump to live lesson time, it will take you to the time of the live lesson. You can see my time zone is Asia, Tokyo, but you can change to whatever time zone you like, wherever you may be in the world. Press jump to next live lesson, and you can see the next live lesson. For me, in my time zone, it is 14th of July, Tuesday at 9 a.m. That is the exact date and time where you need to go to the lesson and click on that link I showed you before. At the top of the website here, you can see there's also a button to add the IC calendar on your phone, the same one we saw before. And there's also a button to save or print the schedule. Go here, you press on this button, yeah, save print schedule, boom. And you can see it comes for us to save it or to print the schedule over here. The full schedule with all the lessons and times of the chapter. Back home, one quick recap. Find your level, intermediate, beginner, or elementary. Let's go to elementary. For example, you find the current chapter. You get the list of the lessons, and you go down, you can see all of the recordings of the lessons of this chapter. Go down until you find next lesson. Over here it says the next lesson over here. And at the time of the lesson, you can find the time through the ways I said before, on the Telegram, download the calendar on your phone, or look on the website, on the calendar website. At that specific date and time, go here and click on this live lesson link. And that's it. I hope it was clear. I hope you understand. And total, we have 3 ways for you to know when the live lesson is. You can look at the calendar, you can print it out, you can look at the website, you can look on the Telegram group. And at that time of the live lesson, go there, find the next lesson, and click on the link. And we'll be waiting for you in the next live lesson. Thank you.